In a world of faster and better, people want to be seamlessly connected with more access to amazing things. To deliver the future, you need someone who has experience with creating next-generation technology. In this case, for the 5th generation. DOW will help you in the wider world of 5G wireless technology. Our materials support the complete 5G ecosystem and the increased demand for smart devices with fast data speeds, reliability, capacity, high-density packaging, and excellent performance across broad frequency ranges. DOWSIL and Silastic silicones from DOW can help the 5G ecosystem perform better and more reliably. We have silicone solutions for thermal management, electromagnetic interference shielding, adhesion and sealing, encapsulation and coating, and component molding. These materials can help build the complete 5G ecosystem, starting with cloud and data center infrastructure applications such as optical communication technology, servers, Ethernet switches, and routers. We support 5G telecom infrastructure applications such as 5G base stations, small cells, optical communication technology, and Ethernet switches and routers. And also the 5G-enabled consumer device applications such as smartphones, wearables like smartwatches and medical devices, augmented reality and virtual reality technology, smart speakers, drones, and laptops and tablets. Our silicones support the cameras, sensors, radar, and LiDAR needed for autonomous self-driving vehicles or semi-autonomous systems. For healthcare, there's a greater use of telemedicine, wearable medical devices, and remote surgeries. With the Internet of Things, our homes and other parts of our lives are more connected and work smarter. And there's artificial intelligence and better control of our factories and automation. Our materials can help all the things connect virtually, from sweeping infrastructure improvements to the smallest, smartest devices in consumers' hands. From logistics to healthcare, we'll see more connectivity than ever before. And we'll see higher definition, instant access to the cloud, and the fastest streaming and connections. DOW is deeply engaged in the 5G ecosystem with end-to-end innovative solutions. DOWSIL and Silastic silicones have a proven track record for protection and encapsulation, bonding and sealing, thermal management, EMI shielding, and moldability of small parts. Our award-winning silicone materials can be tuned to provide the best performance in your 5G application. Silicones support connected devices and systems, helping you leverage reliable, high-speed data transmission. We'll help you with the connected world of faster and better. And we'll help you deliver amazing results with 5G.